to find missing game not showing on app screen and home screen on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on Gaming Hub app and click on this three dot icon. After click on this three dot icon, click on settings. Now in Gaming Hub settings, click on show game apps. After click on show game apps, so if you want to find missing game not showing on home screen and app screen, so click on in Gaming Hub and the home and app screen. After click on this option, you will see your games and your games is showing on your app screen and home screen. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can find missing game not showing on app screen and home screen on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.